Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Shinado Shades. I'm here to do an unboxing of this Starlink that was given to me in course of my birthday last week. I'm really grateful to my team in the US who decided to honor me with this Starlink. I'm grateful to them. I've been with them for about 15 months and it's been a great privilege to actually have the opportunity to get to work with them and get to solve problems, especially on the basis of mental wellness. So I would actually be I will actually be doing an unboxing of this at the moment and getting to see how we can set this up and run a speed test on it. As regarding the internet I use Tizeti. I started using Tizeti at a certain time, then later I switched into NGCom. NGCom has been going well to an extent and it uses about 11 Mbps. So at the moment right now, the idea of getting to experience the download speed of Starlink is what we're going to be trying now. And I will get to do the setup here, get to see what we have currently in this box, and let's get to it. Yup. So, yup. This is cool. Great. So we get to have this. Okay. I wanted to be sure that there was nothing here. Or let me place this here. Why don't I just take this to this side? Okay. So you have this. So I think this is for the outdoor at the moment. Yeah, this is kind of like the outdoor. This is the one you're going to put outside. Then it gets to what's going on. Then we have this. Okay, cool. Right. So, okay, this is actually not bad. It seems kind of easy to set up. So I think for this, we put it in here. And then for this, we powered it to the lights here. Okay, that's the NGCom I'm actually using at the moment, and I hope you can actually see it from here though. So what else? Okay, so this is supposed to be powered to the light. So it seems like this is kind of very easy to set up, kind of. So I'm going to be using this opportunity. I'm going to take this outside at the moment and see what it's going to be like. Okay. Yeah. So I've connected it to the light at the moment. I'm going to be moving this outside, getting to place this here. Okay, so I think I'll have this here. Oh, nice. This is good. So this is how it looks like. So I think I'm going to be dropping this outside. Then I'll connect this to this one here and see how it goes at the moment. Yep. Let's just okay. So I just positioned it there at the moment just because of the fact that I want to leverage on getting, just doing a speed test to see how it actually works at the moment. We're not ready for the speed test. Before now, I was able to actually do a seamless configuration with the software and the device, kind of, and we've been able to connect. So this is ng.com at the moment, while this shows Starlink at the moment. So I'm going to be doing a speed test for both of them, and we'll get to see what the outcome is going to be like. While for this, I'll do this, and it begins. Oh, okay, the battery is kind of low. Okay, so this is the final result. We have 36.04, and that's for the download speed, and 17.45 for the upload speed. While this, we have both 11.84 for we have 11.84 for both the download and the upload speed. So here's the test so far, but I believe the first time we tested before doing the recording, we had about 73 on Starlink, while this was 11.94. So I think for Starlink actually fluctuates to an extent. So it's a good one, and I think we're done with the speed test now. So that's all for the Starlink at the moment. Should you get a Starlink, it actually depends. If you're concerned about the download speed, then you can actually get it if you want to. But also there are options of internet companies in Nigeria that can provide almost what Starlink is giving to you, only that it's kind of very expensive. If you're concerned about the upload speed, Starlink is just a little bit ahead of what I have currently. So, and also internet companies in Nigeria can also give you such an opportunity to have a better upload speed. So I'm only displaying it to you right now to I wouldn't have had this if it wasn't given to me as a gift, to be precise, and I'm really grateful for such opportunity. Also on the basis of the fact that this was not only the things I got for my birthday, I got a lot of things, gadgets that are worth thousands of dollars, and I'm grateful to everyone who played a part in my birthday. I'm happy to get to say that I'm actually a year older now, and it's a privilege for me to have opportunities for people to actually send things to me just like that. I wasn't expecting anything, but I had the opportunity to be given the awareness that I'm actually loved to an extent. So one of the reasons why I decided to start a YouTube channel was because of the fact that I want to have to share most of my experiences with you, especially me being in the tech space, and how you can actually be productive while working and taking advantage of the creator economy in these times, as regarding getting a remote job, as regarding how to actually manage yourself in the workplace, and a whole lot of experiences that has to do with personal life experiences. So if you actually relate with any one of these, you can actually click on the subscribe button and like this video, and you get upcoming videos as much as possible. Also the notification bell to get notifications whenever I post a video. And I believe that within now and the next 3 to 5 years, your life would actually change. So thank you so much. I appreciate it.